Hi folks and welcome back to the Potspoon kitchen. In today's recipe we are going to be heading outside on the grill and we are going to be cooking up some authentic jerk chicken, smoky goodness, and we are going to be topping it off with an amazing jerk sauce, and we are going to be making our jerk marinade 100% from scratch. Let's get into making our jerk marinade. We are ready to assemble our jerk marinade, and we're going to be using a bullet blender. If you don't have a bullet blender, you can use a regular blender or a food processor. 7 cloves of garlic. I am using 1 Scotch bonnet pepper because I don't like too much heat, so I'm kind of making this on the mild side. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, fine leaf thyme, quarter of an onion, 8 pimento berries, and you can't leave this out. This is a very key ingredient when making jerk marinade. 2 sprigs of scallion or green onion. Just break this up in there. I'm adding a good amount of fresh ginger, and I have 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. I have some fresh nutmeg. I'm just grate some of this down in there. Just a little piece, like about quarter. And that's enough. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for some sweetness. We have some cinnamon, and I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground clove, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for some citric acid, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This soy sauce is completely optional, so I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I have some homemade browning, and you can find this recipe on my channel, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon. To top this off, I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to grind this until coarsely chopped. Let's run this through our bullet. Pour my mixture over chicken. I am using 6 chicken leg and thighs. And we're going to rub in our seasoning. And we're going to leave this to marinate overnight. It's now 10 p.m. and I'm going to use these about 4 p.m. tomorrow. It smells amazing. We're going to put this in the refrigerator overnight, covered with a plastic wrap, and that is where this is going to remain overnight. Our chicken has nicely marinated overnight. Has been about 11 hours. And we have all our pimentos and our flavors going. So the grill is now hot, and we are going to go out on the grill. Because I am using a very small charcoal grill, what I like to do is to add some water, pimento leaves and pimento berries in a ramekin that is metal. Add it onto the coals so that when the water steams up and the flavors are infused in the liquid, it goes up into the chicken. And here we have it. So once this begins to steam up into the chicken, it goes. So I'm adding our pieces of chicken on the grill and we're gonna start to jerk our chicken. Thank you to all those who have subscribed and all the viewers. We have just hit 9,000 subscribers. And here's a list of shout outs for Tuesday, September 2nd. Today I want to give special shout out to Wendy Rampisoon, Rachel Blanford, Janice Swan, Francine Thomas, Sagra20, and TC Barrett. Thank you all so much for watching and thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. While the chicken is on the grill jerking, I'm going to make a jerk sauce to base the chicken. So I'm adding the seasonings from the chicken. And because I don't have enough, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water and about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of browning. And I'm going to bring this to a simmer, cook it out just a little bit, and this is going to be the base for the sauce. When it begins to simmer, I've tasted for salt and it doesn't have enough, so I'm just going to put a pinch of salt in there. And let's add just about a teaspoon of honey or less, just to give a nice little sweetness to it. And this is about done. So we have our nice jerk sauce. You want to be flipping the chicken about every 10 minutes or so. And once it begins to get some nice color and the chicken is about 3/4 of the way cooked, that's when I like to start using the jerk sauce and just basting them. And I'm going to baste these for about 2 or 3 times while they are finishing the cooking process. So we have some nice smoke happening. And the smoke made this so good. Me personally, I prefer to do jerk on a charcoal grill. That's when you get the real flavor and the real authenticity of the jerk chicken. And folks, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, and you can help me to grow by pressing the hype button, which gives me points. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the recipe. Let me know where you're watching from. Maybe you can be in the next shout out. I am making this jerk chicken on the drier side, but not too dry. Dry on the outside, but nice and juicy on the inside and packed with flavor. That's the way I like to enjoy my jerk chicken. You can also help my channel to grow by telling a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. After 30 minutes on the grill, this is our end result. These were so smoky, so amazing. They were not too spicy and the jerk sauce just took it over the top. At this time, I want to invite you to watch some more of my recipe videos, and this is the inside of our chicken. Thank you for joining and see you in the next video.